So I'm catching all of these tiny little bass, and I need to take, according to everything that I've read, I need to take at least 500 of these little bass out of my lake this year alone. In fact, it's more like 500 pounds of fish out of the lake this year alone. So, since they're tiny little fish, my typical Gerber, really nice, flexible fillet knife isn't cutting it. Well, it's just not flexible enough to bone something that small. And so, what I'm thinking is I need to either buy a $60 super flexible fillet knife with a very thin blade, or spend $10 on a Fathom from Guidesman, $10, and hone it down a little bit and see if it will work. $10 experiment or $60 on a knife. I don't know, we'll see. Let's get to it. The truth is, I prefer a experiment anyway. I don't consider this to be a bad trade-off. If it doesn't work, metal isn't strong enough, or whatever the case may be, then I'll know next time. Reasonably flexible. Work sharp with the edge guard. It's the Ken Onion edition. I don't know who Ken Onion is, but here's the basic tool. I don't know. Oh, maybe this is like for blades, like if you want to sharpen a blade or something. Okay. I think I might like how flexible it is. Oh yeah. So this is actually a pretty nice sharpener. Work Sharp Ken Onion Edition. I'm working off of the medium. I think we're getting more flexibility in it. Maybe I should see what the right honing angle for a fillet knife is. Hey, are you there? What is the proper honing angle for a fillet knife? 12 to 17 degrees per side. Wow, that's sharp, or that's steep. I have been doing that wrong. That's 15. Okay, so this dude started off pretty similar in thickness to my Gerber, and it's probably about half as thick now. Now, I could probably take more out of the back to get it a little bit more flexible, but I think that the thinness is going to make it easier to turn around when gutting, or when filleting fish, not when gutting. And the work sharp, hopefully, hear a little bit of a popping sound, but I think that's in the handle. So I think we took out roughly a third of the material on this knife. Okay, let's catch a fish. I'm going to try this out on some fish, see if $10 and a little grinding project does what I would hope a $60 fillet knife would do.